Can you get me like a jacket, please? There's a leakage in the area. I don't like this jacket.
You didn't say what kind of jacket. Would you like one of your jackets, one of my jackets?
Yes, my jackets.
Okay.
This is.
Hold this in shame.
It's okay. I'll wear it.
No, I'm gonna be right back.
I'll wear it. This is the postpartum enjoyment. Your husband becomes your what? House boy. Huh? Thank you. Now put this one back before you scatter my house. I'm taking the piss.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video today now about Kora and the husband again. This matter not be matter we go finish now. Hey my people, so my get people, I can't see video for Instagram when Kora, now I know the real thing where they cause the problem, the real thing where make a husband the vex. Like the thing even shockalize me when I can't see why a husband vex. Because at that same day, then a husband post and say, you know, want marry again. Whether either the husband gets Kora wrong. So the thing where cause the problem, see they shockalize me like seriously. I better watch this video from the starting to the ending, because I can't wonder like wetin Kora talk for that video. We never reach for a husband to just leave her, because I look at like joke something. Even me with my husband, we dey even they use the thing they joke sometimes, you know. So I been at because say na Oyibo, or I don't understand, or you get am wrong. You understand, my people? So wetin Kora talk for the video say, my people, when she really born pikin, you know say woman really born pikin go dey tie belle, make belle no big. So Kora a husband can't bring one jacket, can't give, and she can't tell the husband say, no, not be this one, a one wear. The husband can't bring another one again. So when they bring another one again, she can't tell say that this is what you get when you marry to a houseboy husband. You understand, my people? So when they can't talk that word, say this is what you get. I will put the video more and see him when you marry to a houseboy husband. Now she was laughing and joke. She don't mean them. Now joke something. Even sometimes, you know, with my husband, when they use all those things, they joke, you know. So I don't really see anything for them. I just surprised saying that same day, husband even just vex for that thing when they talk, you know. I never reach for them to separate, because yesterday when I dey watch her, I see say the thing they pain her. She even talk and say, don't worry, everything go come back to normal very soon. May we get patient with her, you know. I just dey feel for her, because the woman when really born pikin, she need help. She need help, you understand? She can't do everything alone, you know. So I just pray, may God make it let everything come to normal again for them. I don't wish for two of them to separate. I really love the two of them. I love the way the husband say they help her, you know. So if they can't just separate like this, it not go really make sense. The stress go too much for her. And ever since it really dey obvious, say two of them really get problem. The husband not the help her for anything again. Only she go put food for fire. You go run, go look pikin for here. You go run. And another thing wey me want ask again for this Kora, that America where the cold not there, because this girl not the wear clothes so half naked that she dey always the day. The thing they shockalize me say cold not there that they are place for them. I don't understand. Anyway, my people, maybe the matter what we do now, because I just dey feel for the family. And anything wanna physically do for am, wanna see pray for the marriage. Because if Kora lose that man, he go pay me, because the man they very supportive. The man they support way. Now man where they support, now all women they look for. Like my husband, I know, you know those kind YouTube things, when they do YouTube, they, you know, to like all those things, you understand? So if you get man where they support you for all those things, So if you get man wey dey supportive, wey dey support you like that, you not suppose make you just use your hand to throw away and Kora. Please, my darling, we love you so much. We no want make you just lose your marriage like this. You understand? Because this your marriage, if I dey look the two of una, even me, I go dey jealous. Like the man, he dey supportive, he dey support you well well. To get this kind man, e no easy, my sister. So no just use your hand take throw away and some kind things wey your man come dey write, e don tey wey be say you dey do am this thing, you no fit bear am again. You know, and you just born pikin. You know, in fact, if person born new baby for house, it go be joy for that house. You understand? So all those kind quarrel here, no quarrel here, it doesn't really make sense. You understand? So I just pray, make your marriage, make it not break. Make your marriage not break. Now me they pray for. You understand? So more than pray for the marriage. If you really love Kora, please pray for the marriage, so that make this marriage not just go like that. Make this marriage not break like that. You know, go really make sense for here. You understand, my people? So I beg my darling people, more than pray for Kora marriage. Make a marriage still stay. Make it not just break like that, my people. So thank you, my darling people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. If not this one, they cause the quarrel. You know, this thing not reach to cause problem. Sha, not reach. You know me now. Not just joke. She used and take this. She was just playing that day. She was a live video. How somebody go miss something, go talk for live video, they insult your husband. It's not they possible. You understand, my people? It's not they possible. So I just pray make the marriage, make two of them not break up, when they see they together, and my prayer for them I be that one. So thank you, my darling people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
Guys, I had the scare of my life. My milk dried out. I didn't have milk. I panicked because there's nothing like a breastfed child. So when my milk dried up, I panicked, and yeah. So this life is to all the mothers. Milk production. Yeah, thank you, my love. Come say hi. She said I look so beautiful. Guys, my milk dried up. Scared the living bejizzles out of me, for sure. Because one of the things I was really proud of with June was the fact that I breastfed her. So when my milk dried, it really scared me. The body is not a firewood. Basically. So I just drank almost a whole gallon of water, and hopefully everything